Speed.
Scene 7A, take 2, marker.
Hold for frame. Camera set.
Action.
I give you two dorks. You just wanted food from the party. Just one thing, man. Just one thing. Go take the dude in broad daylight and just didn't do shit about it. Just go fucking the barbecue and fuck the fucking scene up.
Cut.
Cut.
Mission Misfire, scene 7A, take 3, marker.
Action.
Y'all can never do shit right, huh? You just wanted food from the party. I just gave you.
Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 7A, take 4, marker. Take a snake.
Set.
Camera ready. Action.
Hell, y'all never do shit right, huh? We just wanted food from the pantry. I gave you one task, man. Just one. A day like rap, there was no cameras, no cops. And you two managed to screw it up? A grandma's barbecue and flip-flops, huh?
I mean, to be fair, he did look like
Shut the fuck up. Bring him in. Get him to the chair, come on.
Watch your step. Step. Hey.
Drop him up. Let's drop him up, come on. Get the fuck out of here, move!
Okay.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it. Yes.
Yeah, I'm speeding that bitch.
Mission Misfire, 7B, take 1, marker.
Camera's about to die, let's go quick.
And action.
Let's drop him up. Get the fuck out of here. Move. Come on.
Yes, sir.
yeah. Right away, boss. My bad. I'm good.
Cut.
Speed.
Scene 7B, take 2, marker.
Speeding.
Scene 7B, take 2, marker.
Action.
Whoa, hold for camera, hold for camera. Okay, camera set.
Action.
Let's drop him up and get the fuck out of here.
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker's gonna make me fucking pain.
I'm good. I'm good.
Cut.
Speeding.
Scene 3, take 1, marker.
Hold for camera. Alright.
Action.
Pass it up.
Alright, we got him. What questions you got?
Cut.
Oh, one more.
Yeah.
My bad, dude.
It's fine. We can use spoon.
Yeah,
I'm speeding already.
yeah, I'm speeding.
Alright, scene 3, take 2, marker.
Yay! Woo!
Thanks, Slate.
Fuck Slate.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action.
Alright, we set him up. start, buddy.
Alright. We got him. What questions you got?
Not my problem. Fix it or I'll use your bones as chopsticks.
What do we do now?
We're dead. We're dead. We're like body bad, dead.
Shut up, I'm brainstorming. Deaths, new identities.
I'm not being a Todd.
You scream Todd vibes.
Shut up. Whatever, let's go.
Alright. You're just gonna leave me here? You'll be fine. Just sit tight. You'll figure it out. Cut. Sorry, was I supposed to like fall over?
He's speeding.
Scene 3, take 3, marker.
Action.
Alright, I'll set up.
Is this an Uber pool?
Don't even give me 5-star, buddy.
Alright, we got him. What questions you got?
Not my problem. Fix it or I'll use your bones as chopsticks.
What do we do now?
We're dead. We're dead. Body bag dead.
Shut up, I'm brainstorming. Faking our deaths, new identities.
No, I'm not being a Todd.
You scream Todd vibes.
No, shut up.
Yeah. Sorry about this.
Let's go.
Wait, you're just gonna leave me here? You'll be fine. You'll figure something out.
Unbelievable.
Hello? Is anybody out there? Shit. Cut.
Alright, I'm speeding. Not okay. Wait, now let me.
I did the other way around. I turned this one off first.
No, that's fine. They're just. Alright, pretend like you're taking him out. David, pretend like you're taking him out of the car.
So put his feet halfway out.
Yeah, just like you're taking him out of the car, like you were. Alright, go.
We don't see the blue tar.
No. It's just insert so the lights turn on. Speeding. Hold for camera. Alright.
You see Slate?
Yeah.
Alright. Mission Misfire, scene 1A, take 1, marker.
Hold for camera. Camera set.
Okay. Action. Motivational as always.
Honestly, you should do TED Talks.
Alright. You heard the boss. Don't fuck this up.
Me? You got the photo, dog. I'm just emotional support criminal. Is that him?
Unless if there's another dude rocking that shirt outside of retirement luau, then yeah.
Huh. Look shorter in person.
He's sitting down. Gravity works. Genius.
Whatever, dude. Man, this
feels like some messed up version of The Office meets Narcos.
No, more like Brooklyn Nine-Nine if Jake and Boyle were broke and desperate.
Alright, fucking nerd. Mask up.
Seriously?
What? It's crime, dude. At least make it fashionable.
Bro, what is this? A Coachella heist?
Listen, man, just because I ain't Bob Bunny doesn't mean I can't rob somebody while looking good.
Man, this is not Breaking Bad. You're not Jesse Pinkman with glitter.
Bitch! Whatever.
Cut.
Speeding.
Scene 1A, take 2, marker.
Hold for camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. 1 second.
Camera good. Good. Action.
Wait. Wait for my call. Alright, set.
Good. Action.
Motivational as always.
Cut.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 1B, take 1, marker.
Hold. Let her set up the light.
Thank you. Just turn on.
You turned off? Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it's dead. Can you need the light?
Classic, you know me. Like he died.
I mean, we got the
Let me get
aperture lights.
I'm gonna
Do you
get
want
an MC. Let's just cut.
Dead take.
Let's take.
Is that what that's
Cut.
mean?
Yeah.
Some died.
Yeah, or like if the shot, like, we're not ready.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 1B, take 1, marker.
Alright, hold.
For light. Kobe.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Action.
Motivational as always.
Honestly. You should do TED Talks.
Alright, you heard the boss. Don't fuck this up.
Me? Dude, you got the photo. I'm just an emotional support criminal. Is that him?
Unless if there's another dude rocking that shirt outside of retirement luau, then yes.
Look shorter in person.
He's sitting down. Gravity works. Genius.
Oh, okay, whatever, dude. Man, this feels like some messed up version of the Narcos meets Office.
No, more like Brooklyn Nine-Nine if Jake and Boyle were broke and desperate.
Okay. Alright, mask up.
Seriously?
What? It's crime. At least make it fashionable, bro.
Bro, what is this? A Coachella heist?
Listen, man. Just because I ain't Bob Bunny doesn't mean I can't look good while robbing somebody.
Man, this is not Breaking Bad. You're not Jesse Pinkman with glitter.
Bitch.
Cut.
Speeding. Fucking go, pussy! More.
Bro, you playing, right?
No.
This is the max.
Alright, David, scooch back a little bit. Alright, I'm set.
Alright.
Eva.
Mission Misfire, scene 1C, take 1, marker.
Hold for camera.
Hold for light.
My balls.
Holding for my balls.
Take the light off.
Taking the light off.
Put it on.
Putting it on.
Yeah, keep it off.
Keep it off.
Alright.
Saving.
Ready?
We need a hot break, by the way.
I got one.
Alright. Action. Motivational as always.
Honestly, you should do TED Talks.
Alright, you heard the boss. Don't fuck this up.
Me? Dude, you grabbed the photo. I'm just emotional support criminal. That him?
Unless there's another dude rocking that shirt outside of Luau, then yes.
Look shorter in person.
He's sitting down. Gravity works.
Alright.
Genius.
Man, there's like some messed up version as if the office meets Narcos.
No, more like Brooklyn Nine-Nine if Jake and Boy were broke and desperate.
Alright, good. Fucking nerd. Alright, mask up.
Seriously?
What? It's crime. I can't be fashionable with it?
Bro, what is this? A Coachella heist?
Listen, man. Just because I ain't about bunny doesn't mean I can't let go while taking somebody.
Look, man. This is not Breaking Bad. You're not Jesse Pinkman with glitter.
Bitch.
Cut.
I'm speeding.
Tail slate.
Action.
Reset. Give me 1 second.
David, startled like a little bit.
He's not in frame.
Not in frame? Okay,
No.
bet.
Alright, I'm ready. I'll be speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 1J. Take 1. Marker.
Alright, let me just do a little. Alright, I'm set.
Action. Bro, stop fucking around. Cut.
You want to leave the car?
Lower Eva. Speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 1D. Take 1. Marker.
Alright, one for camera.
Oh, you're good.
Alright. I'm set.
Action.
Mask up.
Cut.
Beautiful. Second camera.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 2. Take 1. Marker. Second sticks. You see me?
Yeah.
Marker.
Camera ready?
Alright.
Action. Cut.
I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 2X. Take 1. Marker.
Okay. Action.
Do one more.
Cut.
Yeah. Speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 2X. Take 2. Marker.
Hold for camera.
Holding.
Camera set.
And action.
Let's go.
jacket.
cut.
Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 2B, take 1, marker.
All right, let me get the captive E up a little bit. Yeah, have him just sit a little taller so I can see him.
Taller, like that?
A little taller, like this?
Higher. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, go back to where you were, and you'll pop into frame. All right, let's go.
And action.
Can I get more rest? Come on.
And cut.
One more. I'm speeding.
2B, take 2, marker.
Higher. Get him higher, Chris. Up. No, like taller. Yeah, right there.
Watch out.
Very good. Action.
Come on, let's go.
Bro, you're in shot. Start
Okay.
over. Reset.
Don't cut.
Don't cut. All right. Higher. Get him higher. Right there.
Action.
Come on, let's go. I'll get him.
We're good.
Okay.
Cool. Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 2BX, take 2, marker.
All right. I need his head up higher. Yeah. Perfect.
You want to put his head left?
All right. I'm ready.
Action.
Let's reset. Head up a little bit.
Sorry.
A little less. Right there. David, come in more. More. Forward. Go forward. Step forward. Yeah, right there. All right. Watch out. I'm ready.
Ooh, that sounds stinging.
Good. Action.
All right, let's go. Get it down. Come on. 1, 2. Smooth.
Cut.
Open that shit quick. Open up.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 2BX, take 2. Marker.
Action.
All right, let's go. Come on. What is that in there? 1, 2, 3. Yep. All right. Smooth. Let's go.
Cut.
Horrible. Speeding.
Scene 2BX, take 3, marker.
Hold for camera. Camera set.
Good. Action.
All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Smooth. Let's go.
Cut.
Camera speeding.
Alright. Scene 02, take 1. Marker.
You don't need to clap for us. All right. Hold for frame. Let me see it. Just close a little bit. Like, don't fully close it. Let me just see. All right, land. All right. Cool. Do the whole thing.
Right.
David, come in closer so I see you.
Let me close this to see how it looks in frame. Like that.
Yeah.
Perfect?
Yeah.
All right.
And action.
Let's bounce.
Get in the fuck. No, I'm just kidding. We're good. Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 1, marker.
All right.
Good.
Hold for camera.
Yeah, I got that.
Camera ready?
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 1, marker.
Hold for camera. Alright. Camera set.
Good. Action.
Hey, yo. Touch Tia's lap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Uh-huh.
sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Cut.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 2, marker.
Alright, camera set.
Okay. Action.
Hey yo. 30 is slap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yo, these idiots have the wrong guy.
I know that, but how do I tell the boss?
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Cut.
They walk that way, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Camera speeding. Just wait for a car to pass by. I just put a dick in my butt. What?
Alright.
Lock it.
Mission Misfire, scene 4, take 3, marker.
Over camera.
Ready? Action.
Hey yo. 30 is slap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Uh-huh.
Yo, these idiots have the wrong guy.
I know that, but how do I tell the boss?
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Cut.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4C, take 1, marker.
Up the camera. Okay. Camera set. Have it that the water's actually running. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect.
Action.
Hey yo. 30 is fire, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, these dudes have the wrong guy.
I know that, but how do I tell the boss?
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Cut.
Speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 4A, take 1, marker.
Hold the camera. Camera set.
Okay. Action.
Hey yo. 30 is slap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, these idiots have the wrong guy.
I know that, but how do I tell the boss?
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Let's go.
Cut.
Speeding. Mission Misfire, scene 4A, take 2, marker.
Guys, hold for the fucking camera. Jesus. Okay.
Want to start out a little bit?
Perfect. Okay, I'm good. Yeah.
Action.
Hey yo. 30 is slap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Mhm.
Yo, dude, these idiots have the wrong guy.
I know that, but how do I tell the boss?
I don't know. He's sitting over there watching TV like a Sunday brunch.
Let's go.
Cut.
Perfect. That was sexy.
Oh my god, I'm speeding.
Mission Misfire, scene 5, take 1, soft sticks.
Hold for camera. Back up a little bit, guys. Alright, camera set.
Whose head is that back there?
Action.
Wait.
It's just
Yeah,
a
that's
plant.
Josh. Alright.
Action.
Hey boss, Watching TV, huh?
Must be nice.
Listen, we got an issue.
Look, that's him over there. Eating, vibing, and playing dominoes.
What did I say, man? Don't fuck this shit up. Get out of here, come on.
Cut.
Roll camera. Speed. Mission Misfire, scene 5, take 2, soft sticks. You lost me there, right?
Alright. Camera set.
Action.
Hey, boss. How's it going? Watching TV, huh?
It must be nice, eh?
What happened, dorks?
We got a little issue.
Yo, boss, these beans are fired.
Yeah, dude, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up.
Cut.
Speeding.
Scene 5A, take 1, marker.
Alright. Camera set.
Wait. Action.
Hey, boss. How's it going? Watching TV, huh?
Must be nice, eh?
What happened, dorks?
Well, we got a slight issue.
Yo, boss, the beans are fired, bro.
Luis, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up.
Cut.
Boom came in frame. Speeding. Drop it down a little bit. Right there.
Scene 5B, take 1, marker.
Hold for camera. Alright. Camera set.
Action.
Yo, boss, these beans are fired, bro.
Cut.
Mission Misfire, scene 5C, take 1, marker.
Turn your head. Turn your head. No, no, no. Just. Yeah. Alright.
Ready?
Down just a little bit. Down just a little bit. Right there. I'm ready.
Action.
Hey, boss. How's it going? You, watching TV?
Must be nice, eh? What happened, dorks?
Listen, we got an issue.
Yo, boss, these beans are fired.
Yo, Luis. Luis, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up. Get out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here, motherfuckers.
Alright.
What scene is this?
Speeding.
7. Fuck. I wasn't ready, I'm sorry.
What the hell?
I don't think you got the marker.
I don't think so.
What the fuck, Eva?
What the fuck? Whatever.
They just say
Yeah.
7.
Hold for a shitty AV?
I'm a AC.
Ah, sorry.
Scene, Mission Misfire, scene 7, take 1, marker.
Alright, give me 1 second. Alright. Set.
Action. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit?
Can we reset? Reset?
Reset.
Alright, didn't realize he was saying those lines. I'm gonna start on him.
Reset.
Put the scissors behind your pocket.
Gotcha. Okay.
Action. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit?
Hey man, help this poor dude out.
Boss's orders.
Wait,
I need to read some.
Retake.
Alright, cut.
it's taking a sec.
Yeah, cut it.
Tape is way too thick.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's it.
Alright. Mission Misfire, scene 7, take 2, marker.
Good job. Ow.
Alright. Action. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit? Hello?
Hey, help this poor dude out. Get on the damn floor.
Boss's orders.
Cut.
Roll camera. Speed. Mission Misfire, scene 7, take 3, marker.
Hold for camera. Yeah, right there. Okay, I'm good.
Okay. Action. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit?
Hello? Hey, help this poor dude out. Get on the damn floor.
Boss's orders.
Cut.
Yeah.
Beating.
7, scene 7A, take 1, marker.
Camera
Action.
shot.
Y'all never can do one thing right. I give you one task. Just one task. And you manage to screw it up.